Jamie and Austin, and last year we bought an RV that we remodeled and made our home. We currently live in it with our 2 pythons, 1 kitty, and a boa, and we love it with all of our heart. But we've decided that we want to upgrade, and we wanted to bring you along on that journey.
Are you ready to work today? Are we gonna get the bus done? Alrighty. We like it.
What's up? Alrighty, today we are cleaning the bus so we can seal it. So he's up there now. He's gonna spray it all off with water, and then after we do that, we'll get up there with our buckets. And our sponges and some soap and really deep clean it up there. And then we will go up there with the caulking and go over all of the seams and the rivets and make sure everything is completely sealed. So we wanted to show you the difference between that nice, beautiful, shiny yellow bus, that good looking man right there, and this yucky bus over here. This is a nice little difference. Just using some Dawn dish soap and this water hose, this broom brush thing, and cold water and sponges. That's worked really well. As you see, it's so shiny up here.
I've made it to the roof, and I've got my generator here, and something I'm going to do a little bit differently with this build than what we did with that build is I'm going to practice safety. So anytime you guys see me not being safe, let me know. So I guess we're going to get set up, and I'm going to set up the sander and get ready to start sanding, I guess.
Okay, so today, it's super freaking hot. Really hot. It started out really nice, but it's really hot now. And we decided that we were gonna get this freaking roof finished today. It is taking us long enough. We are needing it done. And it's just gonna keep getting hotter and hotter throughout the week. So
yeah, and we've gotta finish sealing up the whole roof before we even, you know, start building, because why do we want to put wood in there? So really, I think honestly we have somewhat of an idea for the bus, but everything is pretty much being winged at the moment as far as, I think, you know, color wise, and we don't really know what we're going to paint it or anything. Yeah. We're just worried about sealing. So anyway, so should we show them the bus, and then if you want I can climb up and show them the roof real quick before I wash it?
This is all what it looks like. So this one I do believe is the Dicor stuff, and then there's this that's a traffic issue.
I don't want it to look like, I don't want it to look like I've been working hard doing this. This has all been her. We just did those.
Well, let's say it was you because it doesn't look very good. This seam right here this was just like this. So we just sealed that up with some of the clear sealant and checked it, and it worked right away, actually. So that was really cool.
Oh, yeah, I guess I can. So we just sealed around everything with the Henrys. So we made sure everything got sealed. And I'll show you some more stuff up here in a second. But we went with all of the seams that we could, all of these cross seams. Just anything that could potentially leak, we covered up. We also went over, you can see like just random rivets. Some were ugly, some had holes, some they're just old. She scraped up all of the silicone, and this thing's broken in quite a few spots, so she filled in the holes with the Henrys. And then originally we started going over the rivets individually, and that's what we wanted to do, but that took too long, took too much product, and it's not freaking cheap at all. So I don't really know what else to say. You want me to drop this down to you?
Yeah. Oh, I can't see anything. Yep, just dropped it.
Ready?
Got it, yeah. This is going to be the fun part after the hard part, taping. This part always sucks the most.
Excited about this one. It's the Tropicool. Everybody's hyped about it, so we're hyped about it too.
And then we also got the sealant to go with it. So we're hoping there's no more leaks after today.
Oh,
it's
hopefully.
So exciting.
And it's a nice cool day. It's not hot as it can be.
Yes, it feels amazing
It's
today.
been so hot here. It's so freaking hot.
So, it's time for the big reveal of, is this stuff gonna work? So we decided that we'd show you guys what it looks like. Sorry, traffic issues. Everything's so loud. Ooh, so pretty. Looks like milk.
Put it in your cereal. Oh, so this is our roof. It's real rubbery. Seems pretty durable to me. Still got some wet spots. This is all just out of peeling this out from overnight out of the paint tin plastic. But anyway.
So this is the final test of, did the Henrys do the job?
That's nice.
And as you can see, it's just beating off the top. It looks lovely coming off. Alright, so we just sprayed everything down, and everywhere we had a leak before, not leaking anymore. So awesome, Henry's A++, because that's amazing to not have to deal with leaks. Austin fell off the roof.
Oh yeah.
And almost hit the RV when he fell, because it's right there, and he fell from this corner where the ladder was. It just fell on him, so.
I gashed my knuckle open. That ain't that bad. That was my stupid fault. That ain't nothing bad. It hurt.
But so far, no leaks in any of the windows that we had leaks, which was the main thing. But we do have a leak here. But it's not anything the Henrys can fix because it's the seal in general. Which if you see,
It's all through here. The seal is tore up.
and so,
Sorry.
you're fine. You can see right here, it's pushed down and you can see the seal. But over here, you can't. And
So
water
you can
was
see
coming
we
in.
have the water here. It's nothing bad. We had a really bad leak. Oh, just keistered this bottle. We had a bad leak right here. I don't know if you can. I can see it with my eyes where the water is. But anyway, so a massive leak coming from the roof right here.
Which you can see where it was, where it had been fixed before up top too.
And we also had a leak that was dripping down right onto my seat.
There's a little spot where the water.
So yeah, you can see. I mean, so it's dripping. I put one of my shirts, actually this shirt. Whenever it rained, this thing got wadded up. It sat right there to protect the seat. But it's looking like we've
and
sealed up.
one of our speakers leaked. I think it was this one, right?
Yeah.
This speaker was leaking, and it's not leaking anymore. So that's awesome. So that means we'll be able to fix that and get a new speaker and not have to worry about it getting ruined or something happening with the wiring because of a leak again. So as far as we know, everything is sealed other than that vent, but that just needs to be replaced anyway. So, how do we feel about the Henrys? I think it's awesome.
A plus. Henry's Tropicool. It's expensive.
It's worth it.
If I'm being honest, I guess to brief it all up, she had found it. I was really, really nervous about the purchase. I mean, that's a lot of money for not even exactly 5 gallons of stuff, but it's like 5 gallons. And that's like $250. And honestly, that was scary. That's a lot of money to spend, and I didn't want to waste it. We didn't want to mess up, and I'm a good waster. So, all in all, I'd say it was worth the investment. If you're going to use it, if you're thinking about it for sealing your roof, I don't even care if it's a school bus. Use it on anything.
RVs.
It's good. I recommend it. Use it. Don't hesitate. Henry's Tropicool. Get it.